Before we get started in making our coconut cream pie, if you're new here, thank you so much for watching this video, and please do remember guys to subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss an episode when we post a video weekly. Okay, so thanks again for joining. We're going to make the coconut cream pie. So first we're going to use a graham cracker crumb pie. I already made one. This is so easy guys, you can do this and people would think you're a pro at making a pie or preparing a pie. Okay, so we're going to use some coconut milk, right? The coconut milk, guys, listen up now. You have to put the coconut milk in the fridge for a day or two so you can get the fat from the coconut milk and not the actual water. We don't need the water in this. If you get the water in there, it's not going to be good, okay? So we're going to, and this is my preferred choice of coconut milk. Yeah, we're going to add also in it, we're going to add cherries. You can add whatever filling you like. And also to garnish, we're going to be sprinkling a little bit of dry coconut. We are going to be using also vanilla, and if is it that you're going to transport the pie, this pie, I prefer you use like a binding agent. So the binder or the stabilizer, we're going to use some guar gum and a little bit of sugar for flavor, for taste. Okay, so let's get, so before you start guys, bear in mind you want to flip the tin so you get the fat at the bottom and the liquid at the top, right? So just flip it over, flip them over, and we're going to open it. Make sure your tin guys, you wipe off your tins and so on before you actually start cutting. The water guys, you're going to get from the coconut milk. So now you can see the fat that we have in it. That's the part that you want. You don't want any liquid at all. Guys, this has been in the fridge for a while now, so how it's hard up. It's a little bit hard, but that is what we want. We want to whip it to create like a stiff peak, right? And of course you want to add the vanilla, and the sugar. Guys, if you do decide to make this pie, I guarantee you that everybody will enjoy it, honestly. Okay, so to assemble it, we're going to add some coconut cream to the base of the pie. pleased to give you all of these amazing dessert recipes you can try for your family, and everybody will enjoy it, right? Even people who are non-vegan. This is so easy to make, guys. So easy. I told you this pie was completely easy to make and assemble, so we're going to add the coconut flakes. Not too much. And put it in the fridge for maybe 5 hours or so. I've gone ahead though and make this one for you guys, and we're going to cut and taste it. So we're going to add this one to the fridge and get right back to you. Guys, I hope you enjoy these recipes that I'm giving you. And don't forget, guys, you can comment below whatever recipe that you would like to see me create. You can let me know, right? And you can see, perfect. Guys, this is so good. It tastes like ice cream, but this is so good. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and from my kitchen to yours, happy holidays.